Well, today, of course, the defense requested additional time because they said they were unprepared with the new evidence presented yesterday by Director Matibag. So we'll see if they will present counter evidence and they can present new arguments because it's getting tiring if they keep saying that there's a context, the congressmen are also corrupt, and she is not actually giving a threat, and at the same time they're saying that she has high trust ratings. Let's see if they have more creative but at the same time more valid arguments to counter the evidence, because it's very
Correct.
hard actually to counter the evidence when you have videos, a successive number of videos that actually support the threat.